In this video, we're going to be looking at how to do data analysis using ChatGPT. So in OpenAI's most recent update, they introduced the concept of plugins. And by default, they introduced a number of great plugins that you can be using, one of them being data analysis. You can actually also create your own custom plugins, which is amazing. But for this video, I'm going to focus on data analysis because I think this is one of the more interesting plugins that was introduced by OpenAI. So before we get started, you need to know that to use these plugins, you need to be paying for ChatGPT. It's about $20 per month, US dollars. And I think it's definitely worth considering if you are someone who's been using ChatGPT quite a bit, because you'll get access to things like these plugins. So to get started, you want to hit the Explore tab on the left, and this is going to take you to this page. And if you scroll down, you'll see the Made by OpenAI header there. And underneath that, you'll see the Data Analysis tab. All you have to do is just click that. You'll be taken to the Data Analysis section of the plugin where now you can interact with it. And here, very much like the traditional ChatGPT prompt, you can actually prompt it and interact with it at the bottom here. So you can click this upload icon here on the left and actually add your data set. So for this example, I'm going to be using a CSV which holds information about the highest grossing Hollywood films. I want to use this as an example for this video. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to write a prompt. Add the prompt here. And you can see that I'm asking it to analyze the CSV and give me a summary of the most interesting statistics from this. So what we'll do is we'll hit send and it'll start doing the analysis. And I'll come back once it's finished because this will take a little bit of time. You can see now that it's completed the data analysis, and that's only taken a couple of seconds that I paused while it was going through this. And it's actually gone through the entire CSV and looked across all the columns. And it's actually summarized for me a bunch of interesting statistics from this data set. Not only that, it's actually gone ahead and created these graphs for me. So this is something an analyst would do, right? And it's done it in a couple of seconds. And if you look further down, you can actually have a read here of some of the summaries of these statistics it's pulled together. So, for example, I really like number 3, where it looks at the correlation between the budget, so the amount spent on a film, and how much sales it actually does. And there's a positive correlation, a slight one here, between those two factors. So I found that amazing. Things like the genre distributions looked at what are the highest grossing films by genre and the average trend that, the movie industry is seeing with globalization. We can see that, the revenue from each film has grown year on year because of, the industry moving just away from domestic US markets to the global market. So, that's amazing statistics it's pulled together. And it just shows you the power of this data analysis plugin now for people across multiple industries, whether it's finance, marketing, sales. I think you're going to have a crazy impact on the way we work. And I hope that this short video just shows you the immense power something like ChatGPT does have for us going forward. And I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments about what you think will be the future of data analysis with these AI tools coming into the market. And if you want more ChatGPT videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's Digital Marty. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll be producing a few more.